Creating realistic engraved tombstones for a haunted graveyard scene is a craft that blends creativity, artistry, and a touch of the macabre. Whether you choose to work with foam or wood, the process begins with a vision. Perhaps a windswept cemetery under a full moon, silent and eerie, with gravestones bearing faded epitaphs and sinister cracks. The goal is not just to replicate the look of old tombstones, but to evoke the unsettling feeling that comes with the passage of time and the mysteries that lie beneath. Start by selecting your material. Foam is lightweight and easy to carve, making it an ideal choice for large portable props. Wood, on the other hand, offers durability and a satisfying heft, perfect for pieces meant to last through seasons of haunted displays. Once you have your base, sketch out the shape of your tombstone. Classic rectangles, rounded tops, or ornate silhouettes. Each style brings its own personality to the graveyard. Use a pencil to outline the edges and mark where you'll place epitaphs and decorative elements. For engraving, carbide burrs are indispensable tools. Designed to carve intricate details into hard surfaces, these rotary bits allow you to etch names, dates, and chilling phrases into your tombstones. Imagine the scratch of the burr as you inscribe, "Here lies Edgar Graves, 1823 to 1851," or "Beware all who enter." The epitaphs can be as somber or as playful as you like, ranging from heartfelt tributes to ominous warnings. Consider adding cracks, chips, and weathered textures, guiding the burr along meandering lines to mimic centuries of wear. These imperfections add depth and realism, suggesting a history of neglect and the relentless march of time. To enhance the atmosphere, incorporate creepy designs. Skulls, ravens, twisted vines, and Gothic flourishes can be engraved around the edges or in the corners. Use the carbide burr to create shallow reliefs, given the illusion of carvings that have faded with age. For an extra touch of eeriness, carve claw marks or the suggestion of skeletal hands reaching from beneath the earth. Each design choice adds another layer to the haunted narrative, inviting viewers to imagine the stories behind the stones. Once the carving is complete, it's time for finishing touches. Begin with a base coat of paint. Gray is traditional, but blending in shades of mossy green, soot, black, and bone white creates a mottled, aged effect. Use dry brushing techniques to highlight raised areas and accentuate engraved details. For foam tombstones, consider sealing the surface with a protective layer to prevent chipping and weather damage. For wood, a matte varnish helps preserve the grain while maintaining an old, dusty look. Weathering is key to authenticity. Dab on patches of brown and green to imitate lichen and moss. Dust the cracks and engravings with darker shades to suggest dirt and decay. You can even glue bits of real moss or sprinkle sand for texture. The aim is to make each tombstone unique, as if it has stood for generations, bearing witness to countless haunted nights. When your graveyard scene comes together, each engraved tombstone tells a silent story. Visitors to your haunted display might pause to read the names, dates, and warnings, feeling a chill as they imagine the lives and afterlives of those memorialized. The epitaphs might spark curiosity or unease. The cracks and carvings might hint at supernatural happenings, and the overall effect is one of immersive, atmospheric dread. In the end, creating engraved tombstones is more than just crafting props. It's about conjuring a mood, building a world where the line between the living and the dead grows thin, and every stone whispers secrets from beyond. With foam or wood, carbide burrs, and a dash of imagination, you can transform any space into a haunting graveyard that lingers in the mind long after the lights go out.